So all your things are packed. All that is left is to load the kayak. Here's our typical loading system with some tips and tricks tossed in. Sea kayaks have hatches for storage, bow, stern, and behind the cockpit. Heavy items in the rear hatch, such as your tent, lighter items in the front. It's like a game of Tetris. Here's a tip. To maximize space, place long and narrow and smaller items way down the nose of the bow or stern. Really work your way from the ends toward the opening of each hatch, filling the gaps as you go. Naturally, the shape of the boat widens as you get closer to the cockpit, and larger items fit nicely here. In addition to your personal items, group items will be distributed to each boat. While packing, be mindful. Pack things that you may need access to closer to the hatch opening and closer to you. For example, a raincoat, water bottle, sunscreen, or a first aid kit. To stay organized, remember what items you've packed in each hatch. And of course, make sure your hatches are well sealed. But what about all this room on the deck with the bungee cords? To avoid safety and weight distribution issues, there are specific items that are stowed on the deck. Your guide will review this with you before the launch. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Please do not hesitate to email or call with any additional questions.